Hello everyone, Master Kristen here. Training from home like all of you. Missing everybody. I hope you're all staying safe and well. So before we start our lesson today, let's do our quick message. Sit up tall, back straight, hands in our lap. So today we're talking about perseverance and integrity. Who remembers what does perseverance mean? It's very good, never give up. And integrity, I know this was one of our little bit harder ones. Good. Integrity, being honest, doing the right thing. Very good. So I've been seeing a lot of your videos you've been sharing, and if you're practicing hard at home, keep that up. Please keep sharing those videos. I'm really enjoying those videos. I like seeing you all working hard, and having good perseverance, never giving up. And even though we can't come into the school right now, and good integrity, still keeping up with your practice. Keep working towards your goals, and especially when it's difficult. So today we're going to be working a lot on our hand techniques and a lot of roundhouse kick combinations. So let's get started. Let's get our arms warmed up first so we can do nice strong blocks and punches. I have a little bit different kind of push-ups for you to try today. And we're going to do walking and push-up position. And so you're going to start good push-up position. And remember, no seals, no mountains. Keep your back straight. And we walk in our push-up position, really focusing on keeping our back straight. We're going to step to the side, step to the side, and then we can go back. Step to the side, step to the side. So let's try it together. Strong push-up position. Check, make sure your back's straight. Let's go. Let's walk to the side. Walk to the side. Good. And walk back. Walk back. Good. Take a break. Shake out your arms. Let's try again together. Let's see if we can go 3 times back and forth. Strong push-up position. Ready? Go. 1, 2, and on the way back. 1, 2. Good. Show me your perseverance. Don't give up. 2 more. 1, 2, and back. 1, 2. One more time, right? Even if your arms are getting tired, try your best. 1, 2, and back. 1, 2. Go ahead and shake your arms, take a break. That was super easy. I know a lot of you were really strong. That was super easy. Let's try to make it harder. This time we're going to add a push-up. Right? So when we step to the side, we're going to go 1, 2, do a push-up, and back. 1, 2, and do a push-up. Right? Let's try it together. Ready? Push-up position. Okay. Walk to the side. 1, 2, do a push-up, and back. 1, 2, do a push-up. Nice job. Arms are nice and warmed up. Okay. Remember, when we do our hand techniques, it's not only about having strong blocks and punches. We also want to have strong stances. So let's get our legs a little bit warmed up too. Okay. Counting loud, let's do 5 jumping jacks. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 squats. Go as low as you can. Seen a lot of your squats in your videos, you're all going really low. Great perseverance, great integrity. See feet apart. Hands here. And squat low. 5 squats. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Okay. For hand techniques today, we're going to do moving hand techniques, but we're going to do them a little bit differently because a lot of us have limited space at the moment. So we're going to make the best of that space. And we're going to start in our strong front stance. Our front knee bent, back leg straight, hands on our belt. And instead of stepping forward, we're going to jump and switch our feet. So let's try it together. Start with your right leg back, front knee bent, back leg straight, hands on your belt. Ready? And 1, switch. Good. And check again. Front knee bent, back leg straight. And 2. Good. I'm losing the rock. And try again. Ready? 3. Good. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. Good. Once you've got the hang of that, let's add on a punch. And when we do our punches, make sure whatever foot's in front, that's the hand we're going to punch with. So starting our strong strong front stance again. Front knee bent, back leg straight. Ready, switch, and punch. 1. Going here, your loud key ups. Ready? And 2, switch, punch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I think we're ready to do our hand techniques. Hand techniques number 1. So same idea, we're going to be doing those switching front stances instead of stepping. Okay, ready? Strong front stance, front knee bent, back leg straight. Ready? Switch in 1, punch. Good. Switch in 2, punch. Switch in down block. Good. Switch in down block. Good. Switch up block. Switch up block. Good. Switch upper block. Switch upper block. Switch in spear. Switch spear. Good job. If that was a little bit harder, you'd like to get more practice, you can pause the video now, rewind it, practice again, or even go back after you finish the video and try it again. I'm looking forward to seeing your practice. Okay, now let's move on to our roundhouse kick combinations. Remember those blocks, because we're going to be using those for some of our combinations. Before we turn it into combinations, let's review our roundhouse kicks. Start strong fighting stance. Say it with me. Say fighting stance. Good. A front foot. Open the door. Good. Knee sideways. Kick. Fighting stance. So let's try it together. Okay. Fighting stance. Open the door. Knee sideways. Kick. Fighting stance. Good. Ready again. 2. Open the door. Sideways. Kick. And right leg back again. 3. Kick. 4. Open the door. Kick. And 5. Open the door. Kick. Let's put our left leg back. Switch feet. Back to fighting stance. Remember now this foot opens to our front foot. Open the door. Knee sideways. 1. Kick. Open the door. Knee sideways. 2. Kick. Open the door. Knee sideways. 3. Good. Open the door. Knee sideways. 4. Kick. And one more time. Open the door. Knee sideways. 5. Kick. Good. Now we've reviewed our roundhouse kicks. Our legs are nice and warmed up. Let's turn that into combinations. So this time, after we do our roundhouse kick, watch first. Open the door, knee sideways, roundhouse kick. We're going to add punch. It's a nice long punch. Make sure no short T-Rex punches. We're not T-Rexes. Long punches as long as we can. Ready? Good fighting stance. Open the door, knee sideways. 1, kick, roundhouse kick, and punch. Kick. Good. Back to fighting stance. Right foot back again. Ready? Open the door, and 2, kick, and punch. Kick. Good. Ready? Back to the right foot back. 3, open the door. Kick. Kick. Ready? Back to fighting stance. 4, open the door. Kick. Kick. And 5, open the door. Kick. Kick. And switch feet. Ready? Left foot back this time. Hands up. Front foot, open the door, and 1, kick, kick. Back to fighting stance. Open the door, 2, kick, kick. Back to fighting stance. Open the door, 3, kick, kick. Back to fighting stance. Open the door, 4, kick, kick. One more time. Open the door, 5, kick, kick. Nice job. Virtual high five. All right. This time, let's do 2 punches. Let's go back to fighting stance. So same thing, we're gonna go open the door, knee sideways, roundhouse kick, punch 1, 2. Strong punches. Again, make sure long punches, no T-Rex punches. Ready? Fighting stance. Open the door, 1, kick, kick, kick. Back to fighting stance. Open the door, 2, kick, kick, kick. Back to fighting stance. Open the door. 3. Kick. 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 Back to fighting stance. Switch feet. Other foot, ready? Keep up your perseverance, keep working hard. Open the door. 1, kick, kick, kick. 2, kick, kick, kick. Last one, make it strongest. Ready? Open the door. 3, kick, kick, kick. Nice job. Shake out your arms, shake out your legs. All right, we're going to do one last challenge. This time, everybody remember how to duck. Always when we duck, just like a squat. Nice and low. Never bowing our head down. Want to be able to squat and get up again fast. So this time, we're going to do a roundhouse kick, 2 punches, and squat. Ready? Fighting stance. Open the door, knees sideways, and 1, kick, 2 punches, kick, and squat. Good job. Ready? Back to fighting stance. Again, open the door. 2, kick, and duck. Good. Again, ready? Let's do a little bit extra challenge this time. Let's add a jump after we duck. So ready? Open the door, knees sideways, kick, duck, and jump. Nice job. All right, let's try our other foot. Ready? Left foot back, hands up. Ready? Open the door. 1, kick, and duck. Good. Again, ready? Fighting stance. Open the door. 2, kick, duck. Nice job. One more time. Let's add that jump again. Fighting stance. Ready? Open the door. 3, kick, duck, and jump. Nice job. Very good. All right. You guys worked hard today. I think you earned an extra challenge. So for today's challenge, Coley, we need, if you have a balloon on hand or a stuffed animal, even an empty plastic bottle, this out of the way, Coley, move. Okay, the balloon, stuffed animal, empty plastic bottle. We're going to be doing a punching roundhouse kick challenge. So I'm borrowing the dog's stuffed animals, which means she's probably going to run over here. We'll see how this goes. Our challenge with our stuffed animals today, right? Or balloons, plastic water bottles, if you have like even a toy ball, and hi Coley. And this is my assistant Coley. She'll be helping with this challenge. Are you ready? Go. Right. Even if you have a toy ball, right, you can take it outside and practice. Please don't punch the toy balls in the house because we don't want anything broken. Right? So a challenge for today, as my assistant Coley just so kindly showed us, right, we're going to be throwing the stuffed animals up in the air, right, and trying to punch them before they hit the ground. Right? So make sure they are good punches, T-Rex punches. Right? We want them to fly really far. Right? So demonstrate a little bit. Coley, you ready? Right? Throw a stuffed animal up in the air and set it flying. And the camera tip. Right? So we can do that. We can do that with punches with our stuffed animals. Right? Throw them up in the air. Try to punch them before they fall. Okay. Or we can even practice our roundhouse kicks. This might be a little bit harder. Okay. I'll throw a stuffed animal in the air. Make sure we're opening the door. Get ready. Okay. Open the door, throw it in the air. Okay. Try roundhouse kick it off to the side. Okay. This is challenging. You have to have a lot of focus. Don't let it out of your sight. Open the door, throw it in the air. Okay. So if you do this challenge, right, please share the videos. So you're really enjoying seeing all the videos so far. Thank you for sharing them. And I look forward to seeing the videos from today. Thank you for tuning in.